Hello students, today I will discuss the top 50 short questions, rather MCQ from the first chapter, that is reproduction in organism. The first thing you see, what is written, the period from birth to the natural death of an organism represents what? It is C, the lifespan. Okay. Number 2, which of the following has the longest lifespan? What will be the answer? It will be the tortoise. Number 3, in the methods of the asexual reproduction, what will be the answer? Here you see, offspring produced are genetically identical to the parents. It will be your answer. Number 4, a clone is a group of individuals obtained through asexual reproduction. The term clone is used to describe such what? Morphologically and genetically similar individuals. So it will be 5C. 6, asexual reproduction is common among, you see here, single cell organisms only, plants only, animals with simple organization. Here it will be single celled animals, plants and animals with simple organization. It will be 6D. 7, in protists and monoderms, asexual reproduction occurs by B, binary fission. Okay, now number 8. In yeast cell division result in a small cell called, what will be? You know it very well. It is bud. Number 9. Fleshy buds produced in the axil of leaves which grow to form new plants when shed and fall on ground are known as 9. It is B, bulbils. Number 10. The term terror of Bengal, what I have told you, that was water hyacinth. So it will be 10B. 11. In which of the following pairs of plants can be vegetative propagated by leaf buds? Bryophyllum and Kalanchoe, Chrysanthemum and Agave and Kalanchoe, and Asparagus and Bryophyllum. So it will be 11A. You know it very well. It will be 11A. Number 12. In sexual reproduction, offspring resembles the parents functionally but not structurally. 12B. 13. Estrous cycle is seen in this one, cows and sheep, rats and deer, dogs and tiger, all of them above. So it will be 13. It is will 13D. Number 14. The end of vegetative phase in plants, which marks the beginning of the reproductive phase, can be easily seen in the higher plants when they come into 14A, flower. Number 15. Sexual reproduction is grouped into dash distinct states 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be B, number 3. 16. In flowering plants, both male and female galets are non-motile. The method to bring them together for fertilization is known as apomixis. It's known as the apomixis. Now number 17. The term homothallic and monoecious are used to denote, that is C, staminate flowers. Number 18. Syngamy means fusion of similar pods. Number 19. Development of an egg without fertilization is known as, you know it very well, parthenogenesis. Which of the following is a post-fertilization event in flowering plants? That is, it is B, embryo development. 21. Vivipary is found in A, well. Number 22. Statement type question. You see, which of the following statement about animal reproduction is incorrect? It will be 22. It will be A. species that reproduce sexually cannot reproduce asexually. 23. Which of the following statements above animals that utilize external fertilization is incorrect? 23. It will be A. 24. Which of the following statement is correct in the process of fertilization? 24. It will be B. Okay. Now comes 25. Which of the following definition about oviparity is incorrect? 25. It will be A. Only birds and reptiles are oviparous. 26. Select the incorrect statements. Angiosperms differs either in structure, function or behavior. In Oomycetes, female gamete is smaller and motile, while male gamete is larger and non-motile. Chlamydomonas exhibits both isogamy and anisogamy, and Fucus shows oogamy. Isogametes are similar in structure, function and behavior. So 26, it will be B. 27. Select the incorrect statements. Cucurbites and coconuts are monoecious plants. Papayas and date plums are dioecious plants. Lychees and tapeworms are bisexual animals. Sponges and coelenterids are unisexual animals. So 27, it will be D. 28. Which of the following statement is or are correct? The genetic constitution of a plant is unaffected in vegetative propagation. Rhizome in ginger serves as an organ of vegetative reproduction. Totipotency of cells enables us to micropropagate plants. So what will be the answer of 28? It will be D. All of this. 29. Which of the following statement is or are correct about internal fertilization? Male gametes are motile, male gametes are non-motile, male gametes are produced in large number, male gametes are produced in small numbers. There is a significant reduction in the number of eggs produced. So 29, it will be C. Okay. Now comes 30. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Bamboo species flower only once in their lifetime, generally after 50 to 100 years, and produce large number of fruits and die. In animals, the juvenile phase is followed by morphological and physiological changes prior to active reproductive behavior. The reproductive phase is of same duration in all organisms. Juvenile phase is the period of growth between the birth of an individual till it reaches reproductive maturity. So 30, it will be C. Okay. Now comes 31. Which of the statements are correct? Stamens are male reproductive part, whereas carpels are female reproductive part. In Spirogyra, asexual reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Vegetative propagation by leaves occurs in sweet potato. So 31, it will be A. 32. Which of the following option is correct regarding the given statements? The plant was introduced in India because of its beautiful flowers and shape of leaves. It can propagate vegetatively at a phenomenal rate and spread all over water body in a short period. It is very difficult to get rid of these plants. It is associated with flowering plants. So what is this? It is water hyacinth. Okay. Number 33. Read the following statements and select the correct ones. 33. Conidia are the asexual pores Conidia are the asexual propagules restricted to kingdom fungi. A piece of potato tuber having at least one eye or node is capable of giving rise to a new plant. Ginger propagates vegetatively with the help of its underground roots. Fleshy birds which take part in vegetative propagation are called bulbs present in Dioscorea. So what will be the answer? 33. It will be C. 34. Sexual reproduction does not always require two individuals. Sexual reproduction generally involves gametic fusion. Meiosis never occurs during sexual reproduction. External fertilization is a rule during sexual reproduction. So 34, it will be B. 35. Which of the following statements are regarding the given are correct? Runner, tubers and offsets. These all are incapable of giving rise to new individuals, and formation of these structures does not involve two parents. These all are capable of giving rise to new individuals, and formation of these structures does not involve two parents. These all are capable of giving rise to new individuals, but formation of these structures involves two parents for reproduction. These are all incapable of giving rise to new individuals, but formation of these structures involves two parents for reproduction. So 35 it will be B. 36 which of the following statements regarding the asexual reproduction is incorrect? Both mitotic and meiotic division occurs. It does not contribute to evolution and speciation. It is uniparental and usually occurs in unicellular organisms. There is no variation and the offsprings have the same phenotype and genotype. So 36 it will be A. Now it is coming 37. Assertion, you see what is written? A plant can be retained and multiplied indefinitely without any change or variation through asexual reproduction. Reason is asexual reproduction does not involve meiosis and syngamy. Here 37 it will be A. 38 zygote is link between two generations, and reason is zygote is a product of two gametes and producer of next generation. So 38 again it will be A. 39 zygote is a single cell, reason two haploid cell fused to form two diploid cell. 39 it will be C. 39 it will be C. 39 it will be C. 40 ants, bees and termites show parthenogenesis. Reason parthenogenesis is a process in which new organisms is formed without fertilization. So 40 it will be A. Again 40 it will be A. Again A. 41 assertion, embryogenesis refers to the development of embryo from the zygote. Reason during embryogenesis zygote undergoes cell division, that is mitosis, and cell fragmentation. 41 again it will be A. Remember it. 42 match column 1 with column 2. Column 1 animals which give birth to young one, animal which produces bud, and animal which shows regeneration, provides nutrition to the developing. Here you see Hydra, Planaria, Viviparous and Placenta. So 42 it will be B. 43 again matching is coming, binary fission, zoospore, conidium, budding, gamule. Here it is coming algae, amoeba, hydra, penicillium and sponge. 43 it will be B. 44 again it is coming Ophioglossum, rice, potato, man. 23, 24, 12 and 630. So 44 it will be 44D. 45 butterfly, crow, parrot, crocodile. 60 years, 140 years, 15 years, 1 to 12 weeks. 45 again it will be D. 46 match the name of the organism. Okay, housefly in column 1 with their chromosome number. Okay, housefly, fruit fly, apple, maize. Here 20, 34, 8 and 12. So 46 it will be D. 47 match again. So let me come to the match. Sponge, yeast, potato, water hyacinth, tuber, offset, gamule and budding. So what will be 47? It will be a C. Match the definition given in column 1 with their correct. Okay, the pollen transferred from one flower to another, the process in which embryo develops into seedlings. Fertilized egg in human gets implanted in. When egg in humans is not fertilized, process occur. Here germination, pollination, menstruation and uterus. Here 47 it will be C. Sorry, it is 48. So here 48 it will be A. 49 which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? Onion bulb, ginger, sucker, Chlamydomonas, conidia, yeast and zoospore. So 49 it will be A. 50. Find out the incorrectly matched pair. Tuber, rhizome, bulby, leaf birds. Here it is given potato, ginger, agave and banana. 50 it will be D. So 50 short questions, MCQ type given questions given to you. You will practice more and I will give you more, but don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you will get more benefit from this channel, because I am going to do in each and every chapter there will be test series also. So there will firstly there will be short question type answers, then it will be MCQs, then there will be test series type questions. All you will get. First do subscribe the channel, you will be benefited. So stay safe and have a stay safe, and don't forget, again I am saying, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.